A lot of businesses are really desiring to have real connections with people, and you can't get any more real than someone sending you a video testimony saying how good you were to them. You can't get any better than that. What N2 Publishing does, what we do is create a high-quality publication for affluent neighborhoods all throughout the United States. Creating a healthy reputation for a company is important within a market like Columbus market, in our case here. We did an appreciation event for our clients just recently, and the one thing we wanted to share with the businesses, what was important to us is that they had a perspective coming from the residents themselves in our neighborhoods, and the residents themselves thanking the businesses for the support that they give their neighborhoods. A lot of our clients or residents, they don't have a lot of time. Having the ability to send someone a very quick link that actually produces the video testimony, the convenience of it's huge. An interesting thing that came to me, and a few of my associates said the same thing, was that because it wasn't super polished and it was from their cell phone, it was real. It wasn't polished and made up like some of these commercials you see on TV. They say, oh, it's real people, but you really don't believe it because it seems staged. There's even businesses that are put together to actually provide positive testimonies that are typed out and you don't know if they're real or not. And in this case, you can't do that. These are real testimonies, and I think that's real important to us as a business because we're working directly with people, and credible people who are very influential.